Hi, my name is CA Amit Khetan. I'm the secretary of ICI Dubai chapter. So on the behalf of the entire chapter, I'm wishing you a happy Independence Day and a happy Onam as well. Independence is not something, freedom from the past. I think it's a responsibility for the future. And on the other hand, today we are celebrating Onam as well. The two things which I like about the Onam. The one thing, this is, I think, the fewest festival in the world where in the entire state, regardless your caste and creed, your religion, the entire community, the entire state, it's celebrating the Onam. The second thing which I like about the Onam, if you see that Pokalam, every single petal is enhancing and adding the beauty to this beautiful pop. This is also giving a message that there is a beauty in the unity. So with that, all the members of ICI Dubai chapters are enjoying this. You can see it was a phenomenal day. So with that, I wishing you once again a happy Independence Day and a happy Onam as well. Thank you so much.
Put that magnifying glass or over a piece of paper and let the sun rays converge and let it catch fire and ignite. That is the kind of energy that is here today, all converging together. And oh my God, I can just feel it so electric. Thank you so much for being the Indians that you are. Super proud of all of you. हम एक दूसरे से रोशन हैं, हम एक दूसरे से जिंदा हैं, हम एक दूसरे से ताकतवर हैं.
Jai Hind. I am Captain Yashika Hatwal Tyagi, and I am coming from India to celebrate Independence Day with this vibrant diaspora of ICAI Dubai. I cannot even begin to tell you how much joy and pleasure it gives me to see the fluttering tricolor in hearts and in minds of the Indians on the soil of Dubai. They are flying the tricolor high due to sheer tenacity, focus, purpose, and the Indian heritage and the principles and values of India abroad. Today the celebration is a dual celebration. A, Independence Day, and secondly, the Onam celebrations. This Onam celebration brings with it the color, the good wishes, and the prosperity. And independence celebrations tell us what all we can do with this prosperity. So, celebrating these two events together are complementing each other. I am so proud to be the marquee speaker for this event. I wish ICAI good luck, Godspeed, and Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
NRI, नॉन-रेसिडेंट इंडियन, भारत के बाहर भारत को जिंदा रखने वाले भारतीय. हम भारत से बाहर जरूर हैं, लेकिन भारत हमसे अलग नहीं. हमने इंडिपेंडेंस डे यहाँ सेलिब्रेट किया दुबई में 1500 चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स के साथ. 1500 मेंबर्स पार्टिसिपेटेड ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन इन दुबई विद इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया दुबई चैप्टर. इसके साथ इंडिया की इंडिपेंडेंस के साथ इंडिया में एक चीज़ और मशहूर है, दैट इज़ डाइवर्सिटी, यूनिटी in diversity. We celebrated Onam with all these 1500 chartered accountants. Onam is a celebration of harvest in Kerala, but यहाँ पे all the members from east, west, north, south came together and celebrated Onam together. Onam Sadhya, जहाँ 1500 लोगों ने बैठ के उसे enjoy किया. ये है भारतीय, ये है दुबई में रहने वाले भारतीय. भारत से अलग जरूर हैं, लेकिन भारत के साथ हैं. हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड हैप्पी ओनम डे टू ऑल माय इंडियंस हु आर सिटिंग इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड.